I once was told by a wise man both that the best person one can be is a person whose mind is free. I asked him why was this so. He said, I'll tell you before I go. But first let me tell you this. Listen carefully or my point you'll miss. I know this will sound like a nursery rhyme, but in a faraway land, and once upon a time, there lived a man whom I shall call Dan, who had a plan which he drew in the sand. Everyone called him a fool. Didn't he know the cardinal rule? The earth was flat and that was that. Dan insisted that if that was fact, then by God he'd eat his hat. So early that day he set sail. The sea was turbulent and rough. Many times he was flooded by rain and hail, and ever so often he was forced to bail. But on he sailed straight and true, and after many days and nights, dry land came into view. The wise one nodded his head as he ended his speech, far away look in his eyes, suggesting he was there when Dan hit the beach. Young, foolish, and impetuous as I was back then, I had not the sense and knowledge to catch the lesson behind his grin. Acknowledging my lack of understanding and forgiving the impudence of my demanding, he began to tell me the moral of his story. The man who is free in his mind to manifest an idea will attain glory. The slave to the norm will remain bound. Seldom or never will freedom be found. In order to be the best you can be, in your mind you must remain free. Follow your dreams, pursue your goals. Let your mind stretch out and be bold. Free your mind from this physical world. Take a leap in faith and snatch the pearl. Don't follow the leader who leads you astray. Trust God's mind in you to pave the way.